Hi, my name is Palash. I'm a founder of Expedia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a navigation menu. So, first of all, you go to your Webflow dashboard and open Designer. This will open up the Designer mode. Once the Designer mode is open, all you have to do is click on this hamburger icon, go to the settings, find navbar settings, menu, and hit show. And this will show you the navigation. And you can just double click on it and start making the changes. If you want to edit the link, you can click on the link and you can change the link here in link settings. Once you're done making all the changes, make sure you go back to settings and find navbar settings and make sure you hide it. It is very important that you hide the entire navigation again. So once you hide it, you are finished. Everything is done. You can now just hit publish and that's it. I hope this helps. And if you have any question about it, please let me know. And thank you for watching.